In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete a child from Apple ID. This process can vary depending on the age of the child, so it's essential to follow the right steps carefully. You will learn how to manage your family sharing group effectively, ensuring that you comply with Apple's guidelines. This is important to keep your account secure and to handle your family accounts properly. First, if the child is under 13 years old, you cannot simply remove their account like you would for an adult. Instead, you must go through a couple of specific processes. Start by opening the Settings app on your device and tapping your name at the top of the screen. This is where you can manage your Apple ID and family sharing settings. Seeing your name confirms you are in the right place to make necessary changes to your account. Next, tap on Family. Here you will see a list of all family members associated with your Apple ID. It's crucial to understand that children under 13 cannot be directly removed from the family sharing group. Apple has set this rule to provide enhanced security and parental control. You will need to choose between two options: either transfer the child to another family sharing group or delete the child's Apple account completely. This decision is significant, so consider your options wisely. To transfer the child to another family sharing group, tap on the child's account. You can find their information easily in the Family section. Once you select their account, follow the prompts that appear on the screen. This process involves entering the details of the new family sharing group, which must be managed by a different organizer. This ensures a smooth transition and keeps the child's account active under new management. It's reassuring to know that you can still provide support for the child's account without it being under your family sharing group. If the child is between 13 and 17 years old, the steps are different. Start by opening the Settings app again and navigating to Family. This section allows you to manage older children's accounts with a bit more flexibility. Tap on the child's name to view their account settings. This step is straightforward and important, as you will be making changes specific only to this child's account. Once you have selected the child's name, look for the option that says Remove from Family Sharing. This option allows you to remove the child from the family sharing group quickly. It is a crucial function that provides you with the ability to manage older children's accounts effectively. However, if you have screen time or parental controls enabled for this child, you will need to turn those off first before you can proceed with the removal. This step is vital to ensure that all controls are lifted before making changes to their account. When you disable screen time, it may take a moment to process. Be patient, as this ensures that all settings are updated accordingly. After this, you can return to the child's name and remove them from family sharing. Remember, successfully completing these steps will help you maintain a streamlined family sharing group while adhering to Apple's guidelines. By following these steps, you can effectively manage your family sharing group and keep your accounts organized. Whether you are transferring a child's account or removing an older child, these actions ensure that your family's digital space is secure and well managed. Thank you for watching, and I hope this guide has helped you understand how to delete a child from your Apple ID.